and welcome to another Outsider review. We've got right here at the Montreal Auto Show a Canadian reveal of the Hyundai Ioniq 9. So this is a three-row all-electric SUV that just got revealed here in Canada. Now we had some figures from Europe testing, and we're just getting a little bit more. Nothing is concrete as far as specs because they're still going through North American testing. But let me just take you right over here. So here we got typical front feature. Looks a lot like the Kona, just supersize. And obviously, this is going to share a lot of things with the Kia EV9, including the overall size. However, this has a 110 kilowatt battery. So I'm going to get right into the specs here. 110 kilowatt battery, charging up to 350 kilowatt hour, which is going to give you a charging from 10 to 80% in 24 minutes. Not too shabby. And you're looking at 500 plus kilometers of range, so the numbers are not too concrete yet. I know in Europe is about 620 kilometers for the rear wheel drive, but here they're saying about over 500 kilometers or over 300 miles of range, which definitely beats whatever else is out there right now. I'm looking at you, the Volkswagen ID Buzz. So if you're looking for something bigger that has more range, you're looking at it now. Now, if you look at the long range all-wheel drive performance variant, 0 to 60 time is in 5.1 seconds. Now let's take you right over the interior. So you do have the pop-out door handles, which I actually like. I saw these in the EV9, and you got quite sturdy feel to it. You can just open it right up, and right away, typical fashion. This reminisces a lot of the EV6. It has kind of like that ribbed texture to it, kind of like a space age look. We have a nice metallic Bose sound speaker, and so many ways to adjust your seat. Not even joking. This is a great look at, kind of like a space age looking. I kind of like how they use the metallics on there because, well, it makes it not have piano black. So the EV9, we have seen the dual screen here system, so there's nothing too different there. And the four dots, that means a H in Morse. So we still have that. We have a lot of functionality here. This has wireless charging pad. I would like to see two wireless charging pads, and just like the Hyundai Santa Fe has. And you do have your drive mode select and camera angles and parking assist over here. And I like the functionality of having hard buttons, but you can tell like HVAC is going to be a little bit more tactile down here, which is okay as long as it works. I look forward to testing this out and trying it. And I always find it funny that you can have your seats adjustment here so your kid can actually play with your seat from the back seat. Speaking of the back seat, we have a nice full glass panoramic sunroof. And look at that legroom. I'm going to open up the second door. Again, pop a door handle, really good as well. Space age looking ribbed door fabric. Still good, especially this. I mean, tell me this doesn't give you space age vibes with this circular metallic round door handle. We do have the shade that goes over here. And if you're looking at leg room, right here in the second row is 42.8 inches of leg room and 32 inches in all the way in the back. Let's have a look at that back. Push the button, easy does it. So 32 inches of legroom, that's going to be pretty good. So you can see this pushed all the way to the back, so it does have adjustability. And you got two-seater back here. All in all, I really like how this looks. These recline. There you go. So you can recline this as you should. This is not a captain's chair setup. I'm very interested to see if they're going to have a captain's chair setup. Tri-zone. Overall, very, very spacious back here. And let's take a look at the back end. Or the pixelated light really looks, I don't know if you can make it look that cool on camera, but in person, this looks really cool. And you got some more pixelated reverse lights here. Pretty cool. Yeah, so there's a tucked in rear wiper. Thank God they didn't do like the Ioniq 5. And motorized hatch. Cargo space, if you want the cargo space is the front. It does have a front, so 3.1 cubic feet in the front, 21.9 with all the seats up, 46.7 with the seats down, the third row down. But you can definitely make this quite a bit. Let's see if this goes up a little bit. Does it go up? This is a pre-production model. I do have to highlight that this is a pre-production model. I don't see. Maybe I can lift this. Okay, so yeah, we do have a privacy, and it doesn't go that deep though. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. Yeah, doesn't go quite that deep. Then we have controls here. Let's see if we can flop this. Very slow. Let's do the left one too while we're at it. Yeah, I like how everything's functioning as it is, even for a pre-production model. And you do have some more button right here. Let's go here. Okay, so these ones just spring down quite a lot. That's a lot of room. Hi, this is a Quebec personality. She's kind of a big deal. And there we go. So overall, you do have. I love this green, by the way. This green is try to get it. Charging port being in the rear. Okay, that's not going to open up. I like that it's in the rear because I can back in my spot and show everybody how great I am at backing up. So charging port in the rear is definitely a plus. So yeah, we have plenty of leg room, plenty of space over here. Overall, let's see if I can fit in this just fine. Here you go. I have lots of headroom. I'm only 5'9". I am on the hefty side though. And I got lots of headroom. Everything is really good. So there it is. This is your reveal of the Montreal Auto Show 2025, the Hyundai Ioniq 9. Definitely love the looks of it, love the color of it. Can't wait to drive it and test it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll take you on a couple more videos here for the Montreal EV show. And oh look, there's Plus de Millage. These guys are awesome.